My people say if a thing stands tall, something must stand beside it. Every beginning needs a hand to guide it, even life itself. Before an IVF journey begins, doctors gently collect a woman's egg. Not through surgery, but through timing, precision, and extreme care. Each egg is like a quiet seed holding a future it cannot yet see. This moment is more than medicine. It's the first time hope steps into the lab and waits to become someone's story. Where life truly begins. Egg collection. A gamete collection video is out now.